Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chris's Hobby Garage Shop. It's been a while, but I just want to show you what I built over, I guess, the winter. I built this little quad. Not much of a quad, but just to let you know how I built it. It's all out of scrap metal. So I'll go around it, that way you can see better. I've got a Princess Auto 79cc engine. Made my own exhaust out of just scrap piping. Dollar store little design, scary face there. That's the exhaust. The seat, foam, and then a fabric vinyl over it. Plastic fenders out of buckets, and then I just spray painted them black. Footrests, the engine, the headlights, got them out of a dollar store. They're solar. Little can just to make it look like a fuel tank. The face, I got it from a dollar store, during Halloween. Handlebars out of an old bicycle or tricycle. No, what was it? Yeah, I think it was an old bicycle. The foam right here out of a pipe. Foam to keep pipes from moisturizing or whatever moisture. I don't know if you could see that in there. The steering. Made a little guard out of scrap metal again. A wheel for the chain. And this is what I used for the metal, if you could believe it. Somebody was throwing out an old balcony or porch rails. So I just picked up the whole thing, cut it all up, and made the whole frame out of it. This is wood, so I used tie wraps. I couldn't exactly screw it onto the frame, it's metal, so I used tie wraps, and it came out pretty good. It's very strong. Used, I think it's 13-inch pneumatic tires. So let me see if let me start it up for you. If I get the... There we go. So it runs pretty good. So this was, again, scrap metal, a door skin, wood, plastic from a bucket, an old tin can, the bumper here from an old, I don't know, plastic conduit, tie wrapped together. You could see the metal here from the balconies that people threw out, like their railings. The platform for the engine, same thing. Again, I'll show you, oops, inside of the wiring. Just had to cover up some of my stickers there. It's not a bad project. It took me a few months, but you know, with other priorities in life, I tried the best I can to finish it off. In the backrest, again, foam. Just made a little design out of it with screws. Anything I could find. So all it cost me was the engine and 4 tires. That's about it. Everything else was scrap. And I had the rest of the stuff. So if you like what you see, let me know. It's not bad. Take it off roading. It's a good little project. So thanks for watching, and I'll try and get some more projects up and running now that it's summer and I can work a bit more in the garage. Okay, everyone. Take care, and we'll see you soon.